Hello friends, how you doing today? Welcome back. Today's video is all about this rice water and super herb hair mask. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Starting by soaking some washed brown rice and fenugreek seed overnight, using as little water as possible because you need it to be concentrated. The next day, you sieve the solution to a container. I use this $1 container from dollar store. You want to stir both of your soaked rice and fenugreek before you pour it, because you need to get every good thing that is sitting in the bottom of the soaking items. Then I added 2 spoons of flaxseed powder to the solution. We will be talking about the benefit of everything in this mask in a little bit. Next, I add 1/4 cup of moringa leaf powder. Followed by 1/4 cup of amla powder. I use Xanthan Gum mainly for binding agent. I need all these things that I'm adding together to be able to bind together and easy for application. And I want some slip to my hair during application. I use half of a teaspoon of it. Moving on to the oil phase. Olive oil is my oil of choice. You can use any oil that you would like to. And for my essential oil, I use tea tree oil. I use 7 to 8 drops of it. The consistency is very right. This is exactly what the thickness that I want. I'm gonna go wash my hair. When I come back, you're gonna see the application of it. So I just finished washing my hair. My hair is still really damp, which is what I really want. So I want to apply this mask on my hair while it's still very damp, because if you look at it, it's pretty thick. I don't want it to be runny either. It's supposed to be able to stay there for a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and just separate my hair into 3. Let's start from this part. So we're going to talk about the reason why it's really important to apply mask into your hair. I'm going to start from the tip of my hair. This is messy, which is the reason why I'm wearing something like this, so that way if I make a mess, it won't be that bad. Hair mask is a power conditioning to your hair. It helps in your overall health of your hair and scalp, depending on what kind of mask you use. Once a month of hair mask is a preferred practice. So if you have not, try to find a good hair mask and incorporate it into your hair regimen. I'm going to continue to be applying this, and we're going to be talking about the importance of each ingredient that was used. Rice water. Rice water helps hair to grow, increase shine in the hair, makes hair stronger, and overall help our hair, period. Reason why everybody's raving about rice water now. Fenugreek seed. The fenugreek seed water conditions hair follicles. It kills bacteria and fungi in scalp and promotes hair growth. Flaxseed, on the other hand, is rich in omega-3 fatty acid. It helps hair growth. It nourishes hair follicle and hair shaft. Moringa leaf powder. It helps blood circulation of the scalp, which helps with healthy hair growth. Have ample of vitamin C and E, which is good for your hair. The Amla powder is rich in antioxidants, which fight off damage, causing free radicals that can cause hair damage. Xanthan gum helps the oil and the other ingredient to bind together. It's a natural stabilizer. Olive oil. Olive oil helps moisture hair. It binds to hair strand and help hair growth. I chose the tea tree essential oil for its smell, and it helps to unclog hair follicle and nourishes the hair root. If you look at the interaction of this mask and my hair it's really loving it. You can tell because my curls are loose, and you can see the moisturizing of it. And this is how much I have left right here. So that's gonna go in the trash. I'm not gonna store that. So it feels good. It's really a good mask. It's very good for your hair. All the items that I use, it's good for you, it's safe for you, and I didn't even use that much of each. So it's something that is very doable at home. If you get all the ingredients, you can use those ingredients for a long time. Let me wipe my hand. It's kind of messy. There's no stain in my fingers or my nails. I have not washed it yet. I only kind of like wipe my hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put my cap on. Then I am gonna use a scarf. And that's it. I'm gonna have it on my hair for like 30 minutes to an hour. I'm gonna do some errands around the house, and I'm gonna be back before I wash the mask off my hair. I'll be right back. Like my hair is just like easy separation, and you can see the Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Let me know if you tried this mask ever, or you're gonna try this mask. By the way, let me know if you have any other video that you want to see on my channel. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you for always being here. Thank you for tuning in today. So I'm about to go wash my hair and I will be right back. Okay, I look ashy, but my hair is washed and you can see how my hair, it's separated, the curls, it's really defined on its own. For C, all my curls is like, it's like my curls kind of like shrink, so my hair, it's in a serious shrinkage right now. So it feels good. It didn't feel crunchy. It did felt like it's moisturized already. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it, and if you have not subscribed and you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. XOXO. Bye.